Education begins with curiosity. One child may be fascinated by numbers, another by society, and another by something that does not yet exist. At Maipol School, each student's interests become the beginning of learning. Students do not simply ask, "What should I study?" They ask, "What do I want to understand?" Curiosity becomes a question. Why does this happen? Is there another way? Is this really the only answer? We do not simply measure how quickly students find the correct answer. We look at how they think, what they ask, and how persistently they search. Questions lead to exploration. Students gather evidence, read academic papers, conduct experiments and surveys, exchange ideas, and present their findings. When they fail, they ask again. When one path closes, they find another. Teachers do not simply provide answers. They become research mentors who help students develop deeper questions. At Maipol, students do not only learn about the world, they study the world itself. There was once a child who could not even memorize the multiplication tables. Under conventional standards, that child might have been considered a poor student. But Maipol looked beyond what the child could not do. We focused on what inspired curiosity, concentration, and persistence. The child eventually discovered a true passion. Through research and continuous questioning, the child grew and ultimately entered graduate school. Age and grade level did not define that child's potential. The freedom to question, explore, and grow changed the child's future. Today, artificial intelligence can provide answers within seconds. What matters now is not how much we can memorize, but what we choose to ask, how we work with AI, and what kind of future we create. Maipol prepares students not to passively accept AI-generated answers, but to discover new questions and create answers of their own. Curiosity, questions, exploration, growth. Our students do not simply follow a predetermined path. They discover their own path and learn to study the world around them. This is Maipol School, education for a new era.